Using Webull Margin can be a powerful tool for investors, allowing them to leverage their existing portfolio and increase their buying power. To get started, you need to understand what margin is and how it works. Margin is essentially a loan from Webull that allows you to buy more stocks than you could with your existing cash balance. First, you need to enable margin trading on your Webull account. To do this, go to the account settings and look for the margin trading option. Once you enable it, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of margin trading. Next, you need to understand how margin works. When you buy a stock on margin, you are essentially borrowing money from Webull to cover the cost of the stock. You will need to pay interest on this loan, and you will also need to maintain a minimum balance in your account, known as the maintenance margin. To use Webull Margin, you can follow these steps. First, log into your Webull account and navigate to the trading screen. Select the stock you want to buy and enter the quantity you want to purchase. Then, select the margin option and confirm the trade. It is essential to keep in mind that margin trading involves risk, and you can lose more than your initial investment. To manage this risk, you need to set a budget and stick to it. You should also have a clear understanding of the stocks you are buying and the potential risks involved. Best practices for using Webull Margin include starting with a small amount of margin and gradually increasing it as you become more comfortable with the process. You should also keep a close eye on your account balance and adjust your margin usage accordingly. In addition, it is crucial to understand the fees associated with margin trading. Webull charges interest on margin loans, and the rate will vary depending on the amount you borrow and the type of account you have. You should also be aware of the pattern day trader rule, which requires you to maintain a minimum balance of $25,000 in your account if you make more than 3-day trades in a 5 trading day period. In summary, using Webull Margin can be a great way to increase your buying power and leverage your existing portfolio. However, it is essential to understand the risks involved and to use margin responsibly. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Webull Margin account and achieve your investment goals.